All right, this is part 3, the final showdown. I'm putting up another bout of ZEP. This is the extra strength at the bottom there. It tells you, it shows like a heavy duty. The purple is the heavy duty one. And against the miracle oil, or whatever you call this, like oil that has very outlandish claims, bold claims about 100% deposit removal. It has some information on the back here. Some people have had success with it cleaning enough that oil burning disappears. Some still have no difference in what, after 6,000 kilometers, some people still are not getting enough cleaning, or their engine has mechanical problems like scored cylinders from carbon formation, scoring the cylinders, and then that's causing more and more blow by. So there's more to the story than just using an oil to clean up the ringland sometimes. But if this company is comfortable saying removes up to 100% of deposits with continuous use, then you have to keep using it, and they got you by the balls, because basically you can't really prove them wrong. All oils have a detergent additive package, and you know, I'm not partial to any particular one. I just get whatever's on sale. I got 3 of these for free because Rock Auto sent me some oil and it leaked a little bit, so they refunded my order and then they forwarded me a new case for free. So that was a pretty awesome bonus from Rock Auto, so props to them. And I give them a plug when I can, because they are good people. It's just the support isn't great if you have to return something or if you have to talk to somebody right away. But besides that, the prices are pretty fair, and you don't have to shop around all over the web to get what you need there. So it's a good place to go for car parts. So we're going to soak in the Valvoline Restore and Protect to see if it can do any cleaning whatsoever on the 2 plugs that were, one was cleaned by ZEP and the other was cleaned by CLR. So a mixed bag there to see if the oil has any ability to clean in addition to the first round of cleaning against the reigning champ. And also I took some before pictures. So just after it came out of the Seafoam injector cleaner, I rinsed them in hot water. I took some high definition stills, which I'll show now for you guys to see, and come back in about a week or 2 to see if these can get cleaned up any further. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, like and subscribe. And stay tuned for my stills. I'll pop them in there now.